Okay, hi, welcome to the next episode. I know what I'm gonna do today. That never happens, does it? I'm really excited about it. I have all of this black denim, which my friend gave to me last year. I think she thrifted it as well. Also, I wanted to let you guys know that in this upcycling series, the stuff that I'm actually upcycling, majority of the fabric that I'm upcycling has been secondhand. So I have this black denim, which is really exciting for me. And you know what I'm gonna make? Overalls. More overalls. I love overalls. Overalls. If you were at all curious of what I'm wearing today, it's all thrifted. I got this freaking awesome, excuse you. I got this awesome vintage Cincinnati Reds tee. It says Ken Griffey Jr. on it. So dope. And these are the jeans that I upcycled in one of my videos. Let's get on to it. Let's wreak some havoc. Let's wreck cheeks. Let's offend some moms. I'm just kidding, but I did probably offend a lot of moms in the video on this upcycle, so. It's funny, but borderline offensive, but funny. Okay, let's actually go. Here's the plan. Don't make me nervous. No, this is gonna be super easy, and I know it will, and it'll be fine. Stop. I wanna let you know that this horrendous, unexcusable blank slate of a corner in my apartment is not gonna look that way anymore. I bought a lamp. I bought a lamp for this room because this room is a dungeon 24 hours of the day. You can see it. It's so dark. I'm looking forward to this room not looking like a jail cell anymore. It would be nice. Y'alls are gonna get to see my apartment tour and all of my like thrifted home decor stuff and DIYs and etc. So look forward to it. Okay, so here's the plan. I'm not nervous. We are going to just make. Did I show you? I didn't. No, you don't even know what I'm making yet. I'm sorry. Overalls. I want to make mini skirt overalls. Overalls. It's gonna be so cute. Yeah, I think it's gonna be super easy because I'm just gonna have to make a skirt and it's gonna have to be slightly oversized. So, you know, you can pull it on and off and tuck stuff into it. And then just the front panel and the back panel with the straps. And then I have some of these babies. Hopefully that won't be my downfall. Yeah. Kind of excited. Like this, I say this every time without fail. This could be a quick one. This could be a quick one, you guys. This could take me like 5 minutes and it probably will. No, but I think that it will. I have faith in myself. And you know what? I've actually made overalls before. Did you know that?
Did you know that?
I did. And I made them out of an oversized pair of pants. If you want to see that, I'll link it below. They're super fun. I love them because they're linen. I digress. Let's get started on this baby. After I went back and looked at my inspiration pictures, I realized it's only gonna be one piece. What I'm gonna be doing is cutting out 2 pieces that look like this and then connecting them on the side seams of the skirt. The back panel will have the straps on the top of it to connect to the front, and then I'll add a pocket on. All right. Unwind those measuring tapes because we gotta measure. That was so lame. Okay, so the first thing that I'm gonna measure is the length of the 2 pieces that I'm gonna cut out. So for the front piece, make it a little bit longer for seam allowance and mess up room, you know. All right, so 27. 27 is the length. The next thing that I'm gonna measure is my waist, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add 4 inches onto that for it to be wide enough to like tuck clothes into. I'm gonna be doing that with my waist measurement and my like hip measurement for the A-line skirt. So we've got about a very loose 30. We'll say a very loose 38. So 27, 30, 38. Okay, got it. Got my first piece cut out and I want to show you what I did to get there. What's up, guys? Hey, it's me. It's me, Sarah. So, I messed up so badly on explaining this next part. You know, so bad. That I'm just gonna go ahead and do this voiceover for you. Okay, so here's how I cut it out. Basically, I took those measurements that I just took and I divided them in two. That is because I wanted to fold my fabric in half so that I would have a symmetrical piece. I'm holding it up right here and it's folded in half. The entire length that I cut out was about 27 inches. Right here is the waist and that was half of 30. And right here's the hip, which was half of 38. And then between the waist and the hip measurement, I made sure to measure the length between that so I knew that it would be the right length away from like the waist to the end of the skirt and that the waist measurement would end up in the right place. And then I just cut that out and just kind of like sketched out the curve for this part right here. Hope that makes sense, because all right, bye. Be back soon. Cut that out. Alright, so now that I've got both my pieces cut out, I'm just gonna sew them together on the side seams of the skirt. See how it fits. Sorry, that's a bit weird. Wow, she's looking so good, and all I did was sew the side seams up. I am so excited because I'm basically almost done. This is so cool. Magic, there she is. So I was just serging all the edges to like fold under and make all nice, and I just kept my serger thread white and it kind of looks cool. I'm kind of questioning if I should just keep it like that. Super edgy, huh? It's a big decision. Oh yeah, I also just shortened up the back a little bit. A few moments later. Alright, so I decided I didn't like it. So what I did was folded all those edges under and just stitched them down, and then I put on a pocket. Brought her big enough for my phone, my wallet, and my chapstick. Okay, now on to the straps. I'm just gonna generally measure from here to the back, and then I'll add a couple inches onto that. So this says 21 inches with some seam allowance. So let's go for 26 inches.
Hello.
I'm just gonna cut out 2 long strips so that I can finish off the edges, fold under, and hem that are going to be not as wide as my clasp. Now for the fun part. She is almost done. I just did the straps up. They look like this on the inside and this on the outside. Now I get to put the little snaps on. So you get this little guy and then a little like, I don't know, nail screw thing. And it goes just through the back of the fabric and then you hammer it on. Let's not mess this up. Get one shot at this, darling. Right there, right there. Should I ruin this? Okay, great. I got it all the way through. You can't see that. All you're gonna do is just hammer this baby on. I'm kinda scared. Kinda scared. I didn't do it. Okay, just watch the tutorial. I know what I'm doing wrong. I have to hammer it from the back side. Yeah, it's in there. Yeah. All right, now for the other one. Wow, this is very exciting. So fun. This is not the fun part. Ready? Here we go. Here we go. I did it! Now to loop these things through. have just made overalls. They're so cute.
Hey, yo.
That was terrifying. I really like this. I styled this in a few different ways because you can totally wear this in like any season. If you are a beginner to sewing, try this out. I highly encourage you to because it was so simple, guys. Like these, don't be scared of these things. It's not that hard. Oh, my arm. It actually was quick. I was right for once. Hope you liked this one and I hope to see you next time.
When I look at you, I feel something. I feel something. I feel something. I feel something.